Welcome back. In the last video, we have learned about lightning alert in LWC, how to use lightning alert in LWC. And in this video, we will learn about lightning confirm in LWC. So first of all, let me show you how the lightning confirm output will look like. So this is one org which I have opened, and here I have created the 5 buttons. Similarly, like lightning alert, we have created some 5 buttons. So if we click on this button in the lightning confirm, we get 2 buttons, OK and cancel. It is an pop-up to ask user to confirm. This is what it means. So instead of using windows.confirm, we can use lightning confirm for consistent Salesforce UI. Okay, and if you want to learn more about it, you can go to this official documentation. Here they have written it about it in detail. We have to use this lightning confirm from lightning confirm. Also, this is a asynchronous call, and it returns a promise. So we will use async await or dot then method. So let's start with our development. So first of all, I will go to my VS Code and show you the code. So here what we have done is I have created the component confirm in LWC, and in the meta XML file we have set the targets. Let's deploy this source to org. And once it is deployed, we will go to edit page and add our component here. Let me see if it is deployed or not. Yeah, it is deployed. Let's go back to the org and search for our component. Here is the component. I will drag and drop it here. Click on save. I think it is saved. Let's go back and see confirm in LWC is rendering on screen or not. Once it is rendering on screen, what we will do is we will create the 5 buttons similarly which we have created in the alert. So here you can see confirm in LWC is coming up, and in the last video we have created these 5 buttons. Similarly, we will again create these 5 buttons. So let me just paste the code of it, and there is I don't think there is a need to explain this code because it is straightforward. We have created 5 buttons and giving them name, and we will pass this name parameter. Also we have created one method show confirm which will be called on click of a button. So let's go back to our JavaScript file, and here show confirm method we will create, and inside it let's pay console log button click. Let's deploy this to org. Let me confirm the case of this show confirm. Yeah, it is correct. Yeah, so now if we go to org and refresh the page, we will see 5 buttons, and when we click on those buttons in the console, we will see the message which we have given in the console log. The message is button clicked. So as you can see on screen, these 5 buttons are rendered. Let me clear the console by clicking on this button. Now click on default confirm, and as you can see, the message is coming. So our method is being called on the click of this button. Now let's go back to our LWC component in the VS Code, and here we will write. First of all, we have to import the lightning confirm component. So let's copy that line from the developer guide, and here we will copy this line and go back and paste it here. After doing this, it says that this is an asynchronous call, so we have to use async and await. So let's use this async and await keywords. So we will make the method async, and when we call the method, we will write await and then lightning confirm. As you can see, it is already giving me suggestion because of the Einstein extension. So dot open. Here we need to pass some parameters. The first parameter is message. The message we will give us, let me give this is confirm message The second parameter we will give is label, and I will give the label as confirm, and the theme we will give us, let me see what are the various themes available. So here if we go down, here are various themes available. Let me give the success theme. So I will copy this, and when we give success theme, the header color will be green. Let me paste it here and save and deploy this source to org. This is similarly working like lightning alert. Let's go back, and this is our org, and refresh the page. Once it is refreshed and we will click on the button, on click of every button we will see a green confirm box. As you can see, we are seeing it. Now we need to pass the color based on, pass the theme based on the button clicked. So for that, in the last video, if we go to alert in LWC, we have used this const name event target. So we will just copy this and go to confirm and paste it here. Also, if we are using event here, we have to find the event. So write it here, and instead of success, we will just pass the variable is name. Let's deploy this source to org, and I think it will work. What we can do is we can change the label for everyone. So let me change the label. So here we will use tactics. I am dollar name confirm. It will help us differentiate between various headers. So deploy this source to org, and let's refresh the page. Is not deployed yet, so we need to refresh it again. Once it is refreshed, we will click on the button and see the output. Let me clean this, and default confirm, it is gray. It is default, sorry. Confirm, I am success, confirm header. Success, that is why it is green. Error, it should be red, as you can see, and the header is also coming. So we are passing the name here, error. Now it should be warning, orange, and this should be info and gray. So this is how you can develop Lightning Confirm, or you can use Lightning Confirm module in your LWC components. That's it in this video. Thank you very